So hello guys, today we are gonna continue our GTA 6 tutorial series. So let's begin. In this video we are gonna make our character in C++ class. So let's start this. So we're gonna select new C++ class, then in select character, then next, then we're gonna name our character as am underscore character. Here I have spelled it wrong. Am underscore signature character, and in you're gonna put it inside the core folder. So let's create this class. So let's wait until it process. Let's go. This build gonna failed because we have an error here. So we have to remove the core from here. To remove the folder name from here, so it's gonna compile successfully. After this, I'm gonna compile it. Yes, it's bit success, and you have seen that you have got a folder name C++ here. C++ class core, and we have the am underscore character. So let's begin this. Inside the content GTA, we're gonna make a character here of blueprint variant, which is derived from C++ class of m base character. So in blueprint class, we're gonna all classes m underscore character. So select this, and we're gonna name is bp underscore m underscore character. Okay, so inside this you have said empty, no skeleton mesh, no camera, no spring arm. So let's add this inside the C++ file. So first of all, in the header files we're gonna add spring arm component. So inside the public section we're gonna add class class space u spring sp spring arm component plus tab to select here, and we're gonna name it as spring arm plus tab again, and we have to use a camera here. So class double s class u camera component ca u camera component. Select this, and we're gonna name it as camera. So type here. So inside the C++ file we're gonna make some changes. So for the spring arm, it is fine to code here. Spring arm is equal to create default sub object, and we're gonna use here u spring arm component, and we're gonna text name is as spring arm. Copy this, and we're gonna paste it here. So we're gonna attach this spring arm to the root component. So attach it sprng spring arm dot setup attachment root component. Same thing we have done for the camera. So camera is equal to create default sub object. So one thing is change here. Inside the spring arm we have used the u spring arm component. For camera we are gonna use u camera component. Okay, let's cut it. Control X, we're gonna put it here. and inside this we have to use text. Copy this and paste it here. You have to again text it, text selected. So let's attach this camera to the spring arm. So camera setup attachment, it is already shown the tab here, so it is already attached to spring arm. Now let's compile this code and see what happened. Okay, wait, in the test level press compile, build failed, something is error, result is not used. So check what is the error here. Here is no error from the engine side. Spring arm, let's wait, let me check what is the error here. Okay, so there is a silly mistake I have made here. So in the rider we have to use the equal sign here. Now the error has been gone. After compiling, it has been built successful. So inside the BPM character we have to see open in blueprint, and we have seen that spring arm and camera component has been attached to our BPM character. So now we have to attach skeleton mesh to our body. So for this we have to inside the header file, copy this line, copy this, paste it inside this, and we're gonna use skeleton mesh component, and we will name it as skeleton skc underscore body, skc underscore body. And we have also used skeleton mesh, which is named as sk underscore body. So now let's work in the cpp files. skc underscore body is equal to create default checked use skeleton mesh component and text this text skc body. It is fine, skc body. Then you have to set up attachment for this. skc underscore body dot setup attachment. We're gonna use here camera component, camera. Okay, fine. Now we have to set some relative location. skc underscore body dot set, it is again body dot set relative relative location f vector so okay, control z f vector think 300 0 and minus 19. So let's me again write this location f vectors. So we're gonna use F vector, tab to complete. Okay, so x axis 300 and z axis minus 19. Okay, so for the as relative location, we're gonna use skc under body dot set relative rotation. Set relative rotation here. For this, we're gonna use f rotator. So press tab to complete. We're gonna use minus 90 in the yaw. So press minus 19. Okay, and one thing we have to add here. So sk underscore body, we have to cast it. Sk underscore body is equal to uh, is equal to cast use skeleton mesh. Wait. Cast use skeleton mesh, then static load object sti static load object, then use static mesh, use skeleton mesh, use skeleton mesh colon static class static class, then text static class comma null comma text. Now we have to copy the reference of the skeleton mesh from the content browser. So inside the content folder, character mannequin meshes, so we're gonna use skmany. So right click here and copy reference. Copying reference, we have to paste it here. Okay, script engine. To this, something is fishy here. I have to check it again. Script Unreal Engine app mannequins skmany simple. Right click skeleton mesh, copy reference. Wait. Okay, now it is fine. So after this, we have done skeleton body. Okay. I have cast a skeleton body or not? Yes, I have already cast it. Let's check once again. Inside the rider, if sk underscore body, then skc underscore body dot set skeleton mesh, and then copy it this sk body and paste it here. After this, made a semicolon. Now we have completely attached our character. So let's again compile this. This compiled successfully. So inside the GTA character, in the viewport section, you have seen that we have successfully added our character here. So let's compile this and We don't have any game mode here, so first add a game mode. Inside the core, right click, blueprint, game mode, m underscore game mode base. So we're gonna place it here, and inside the default point class you have to replace it with m underscore character, m underscore top bpm character, the same. So now we're gonna play this. We have add our character here, but we have not binded any input here. So in the next video we are gonna bind inputs to the character. So thank you.